Hey there, future nurses. I just want to stop by and say thank you. I truly hope these videos are helping you build your confidence, helping you make nursing make sense. Trust me, we are just getting started. So many more lessons, so many more nursing scenarios, NCLEX strategies, clinical judgment tips, you name it. It is coming your way. So, if you have found any value here, do me a favor, like and share this video with your classmates, tag your future nurse, anyone that you think will benefit from this information. Let's grow this community together because nursing success starts here. And I'm excited about your future as a nurse.